Recording now. Okay, anyone else has got it? Let us say another minute. See, the thing is overloading, or yeah, it is a case of overloading only, but it's a special case. Okay, I will give the answer. In this position, see what is the threat? White rook is there on E1, open file E file. King is very much hemmed in into D8 square. There is hardly no other square for the king to go. So if you were to check the king, it might become a checkmate. And you have a piece which can check. You have a square also from which to check it. The bishop on G7 can come to F6 and check the king. Unfortunately, the black queen is defending the F6 square, right? That is the whole thing. Otherwise, you would have a beautiful checkmate. So how to proceed? How to proceed? So white plays white queen to G3. Okay. White queen to G3. Asking the black queen, okay, either you take me or you go someplace, but it does not have any other square from which it can go to safely, as well as defend what? Defend the F6 pawn, right? So white wins in this way. So offers the queen, and then next move is mate, right? Okay, so that is what completes all our examples. We looked at very briefly. We looked at 6 plus 6, 12 examples of the tactics, mates, jumps, forks, pins, nets, and ties. All right. So we looked at examples of all of this, and fine. So now what is, I'm going to share this handout. So this is there with you. But what is interesting thing is that I have given 12 more positions. Okay, let me just make it fit visible. Yeah, these are 12 more positions on page 2 of the handout where you need to find, and I have given cues. It is not that completely. I have given some clues and which side is to play is written like this. W means white. Yeah, here it is W everywhere, where either W or B. Okay, here it is B, which means black to play, right? And what is the theme also I have given. This is net for nat. Skewer means skewer. If you will remember, it is like a type of a reverse pin, right? Fork, you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the ones for your, yeah, I know Srishti, that's okay. You're getting. So it is, these are for you to solve and send it to me. Not in one day, you can take 3 days, but try to send it to me. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. So by Friday, you can send it to me, or by Saturday morning. Okay. So that before your class on Saturday evening, we would have got it validated also. It's not really a test as such, but anyway, I will publish the solutions on Saturday in case you have not got it. Okay, here I just want to, except for one position, everywhere else is, here I'm saying that I'm giving some clues already from this position. White is going to, already there is a threat of a checkmate, because the knight will come to F2 and give a check to the white king, and then there is a checkmate. Hence, I've said that white will play queen to H4. Queen will come to H4 here, trying to defend the F2 pawn, I mean F2 square. There is no other defense for that. and then after that it becomes black to move. So the position is actually white to move, but white has got a, if you are white, you have to find that white queen to h4 is the only position against black's threat. But after that, black has got still a tactic on his hand. Okay, so you have to find what is that. So except for that position, all others are directly, whichever is the side to play is also the side that is winning the advantage. Yeah, so these are the positions actually, Srushti. I'm going to send this handout. So second page is all these examples. 12 examples are there where you need to solve, right? First page is what I've covered it in the class. Second, W means white to play, B means black to play. And what is the strongest move which will win? If there is a Q is given. Okay. All right. So that is pretty much it for this week. If you have any questions, we can take it, but this will cover our review of all types of tactics in the L2 class. Okay. After that, no more tactics related sessions. Then we will again look at some end game. We'll look at a opening. We will look at a strategy and maybe something else, and that will cover our L2 class. Okay. Okay, so if there are no more questions, then we are going back to completing our practice on Lichess. Right? Okay, all right. I'm going to stop the recording.